mangyayari masama sa inyo. God bless po. Take care. Thank you po.
Happy birthday. Akong panghinaot nga unta sa imong pag-retire. Mangkon nimo ang imong mga pagandoy sa kinabuhi. Masinati unta nimo ang kahamugaway, kalipay, kalinaw ug sa kinatibuk-an ang imong pangandoy nga relax. Salamat.
Happy birthday no Minggoy. Common naman tong saying life begins at 40. So let's make it life begins at retirement. I've heard na nakay business plan. So I wish successful. Happy birthday again.
Me, Karel. I just want to greet you happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Have the happiest of birthdays. May this year be just as exciting, but more fruitful because we are here in a fruitless restaurant. More fruitful and just more meaningful for you. We'll be in Australia this December, so I hope to see you there. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday o maayong pagpahulay.
Happy birthday no. Ay nakatanga ikaw sa nunay tagan may lawas sa Dios sa imong pagitan. Pagbalipayon ka sa imong minahal. Oh. Happy birthday again. Ano?
Happy birthday. God bless.
I wish you good health and peace of mind, and I wish you more years to come. God bless. Enjoy your life as you're a retired person. Thank you for everything. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. This is Tita Daria.
Happy birthday, Ming! More power! Di na ka ma-preserve sa iyong mata. Pwede na ka matag alas 10, alas 11. Pahayahin na kami. Good luck!
Happy birthday, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that everyone around you is making it a very special day for you. Full of surprises, full of food, full of good news, full of everything positive. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! We will miss you, yeah.
Kami ngo iko katilaw ni mo Ming. Kung mo ko imbitahan happy birthday pero di po.
Birthday po sa inyo at sana'y maging isang masayang araw ang inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday po.
Good luck and enjoy sa imong retirement. Happy birthday. God bless. Sa mi live sa imong paalam kay di mangulit taman me. Pero happy birthday and good luck sa imong new endeavor. Bye.
Birthday and I wish you all the best. Of course, your birthday dapat masaya ka. Happy birthday.
Anong going? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We wish you all the best to your new journey in life, and we will miss you, Nong Domi.
Happy birthday to you! It's a birthday mo. Keep it up and always be happy.
Hi, Nong Duming! Happy birthday! Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Mayong pagsuri-suro yung good luck sa imong mga plano pa sa kinabuhi. God bless kung unsa pa imong mga plano, whatever pa nga mga gusto nimo makabot. Let God be nga mahimong nimong giya kanunay unya. Salamat kay although sa gamay ra nga panahon nagkaila sa akong magkasakay ta kanunay gid kamo pansin sa ako. Salamat kaayo sa imong kanang presensya dinhi sa buhatan. God bless.
Happy birthday and good luck to you and to your family.
Cherry, I'd like to greet you a happy birthday to you. I hope to meet you one of these days. Take care, happy birthday, God bless you.
Mang Doming, thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Manong! Ay, ako po si Kiray and sana masaya po kayo sa magiging birthday nyo and sana makita ko po kayo soon. Have a great one po!
Kaarawan ng Doming. Ngayong kaarawan mo, sana ikaw ay maging masaya. At sa darating na mga araw, hiniling ko para sa iyo ay walang hintay na ligaya. Naway maging maligaya ka sa iyong tatahaking landas. Salamat po!
We're celebrating a very special day today, and I would like to greet you a happy birthday.
Happy sana malayo ng marating.
Happy birthday. Balita ko na sinabi ni G, birthday mo daw. Kung libre ka, thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Manong Magno.
So
Dapat malipayon ka sa imong pagbiya.
Effort sila. Talaga meron pa siyang ilaw para lang makunan ako ng bonggang-bongga. At para lang ito ay yung kaarawan. Di ba? Nakakaloka. Birthday mo pala. Nako, syempre, isang masaya at isang mataginting na happy birthday.
Koila, cike, Mang Domeng, Bubu Cicang, Cirikong Koila, Mang Domeng,
And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. To you. Come on. Bye-bye. Bye.